welcome to Vlogmas Day 16. I have about 25 minutes to put makeup on my face and get ready to go film, and Lola's outside peeing, so that's happening. We're going to go film 2 videos and do a Santa photo shoot with Lady. It is 9:15 in the morning. I'm supposed to do all of this tonight, but as mentioned in yesterday's video presentation situation, that is not happening. We have to go because of the storm. Okay, advent calendars. I got a Santa hat. Woo. Lola's outside barking at something. No idea what though. There you go. Lola vision. So long. Farewell. It's 10 o'clock, you guys, and William's not here yet. I'm still waiting for him. The storm better not start until I get everything I need to get done. That's all I have to say. Too much to do to be screwed up now with snow. So, yeah. I'm cranky. I have not had a cup of coffee yet. It is 10 a.m. and I'm desperate for some caffeine, and I have to wait for someone to get me to go get the caffeine. So, Lola's with us. She's coming to Mom's with us as well. We're filming at Mom's because Mom wants to do a Lady Santa photo shoot. All of the gear is right there. My camera's on my hip back there somewhere. You probably didn't see that. Lola's like, I'm into the out. I want to get into a vehicle. I'm not loading up my car to sit in that one to wait because William said he was driving. So now we wait. The current situation, friends. Yeah, these will do. Oh my god, you went cray.
Well, I thought these are snacks, but now I'm using it as a house.
How many you need? 1, 2, 3.
These are, don't really...
2.
2, yeah.
Yeah?
These my hands are.
Oh my god, the goods. This is a great meal. Oh, you got M&M's. It's good. I prefer M&M's.
Enough M&M's.
Yeah, to others.
They may be huge and may not be portion size, but it's okay.
I'm really struggling. Oh, they're my favorite too. Like the green ones. I quit. I can't do anything with one hand, dude. I don't know how I've succeeded at Vlogmas because I can't do anything with one hand, yet somehow everything has gotten done. It's funny. But you get all the stuff to the for?
Oh yeah.
Cool. Okay, the icing is gonna, we had a problem last year, remember, with only one of us?
Yeah, so we need
another one. Okay, Mom, you have other piping bags here, don't you?
Piping bag, yeah.
Oh my god, what's going on here? There's stuff everywhere.
So guys,
there's
we did 2 videos.
There's like everything. There's a hat.
We did 2 videos, one for my channel, one for William's channel. And we also did a family photo. And Lady got our photo taken with Santa finally. And now we're gonna eat lunch and then go home because the snow has started.
So I've been doing computer repairs today. I've got like 30 pieces of computer on my floor right now upstairs, and I'm gonna go take care of that.
You should go show them.
No, I shouldn't. We'll put back together now, thankfully. I'll show them.
You go and show.
Alright, it's a bit of a mess here. I got a bit of my computer case. I've currently got my baby taken apart. One of my case fans burned out today, so I went and picked up some new ones. Nice Corsair AF120s, very simple fans, quiet ones, hopefully. I'm just in the middle of putting my rear fan on the radiator right now. It's kind of hard. Is that a light here? I got a light. So there we go. This is the inside of my baby. It's a little bit messy right now. So I'm hooking up the last fan, which is right here in the back. And hopefully she'll be running again by 2 hours from now. Alright, I head you back to Mendo now. Enjoy your day, guys. This is super badass. Got a camera on my wrist. Ooh, I'm flingy though. Be careful with that. Fist bump cam. I lowered it. Oh. Fist bump, Ken.
You could wrap that around your head.
Yeah, you could. Hang on, give everybody fist bumps. Fist bump, Ken.
Right, I'm going out of
Woo! Oh my God. What is your life?
What is
It's almost over.
Question,
I can
Michael.
almost flip off the camera. Can't do it though. What?
Friday, are you working Friday night?
I'm working Friday night.
Then you're off on
Saturday night, Sunday night, and probably Monday night.
How about Thursday night?
Thursday night I'm working. Straight through.
Okay, well we're closing the office, so I don't have work on Friday.
Okay.
So, well guys, the actual snow started before 12 o'clock, so the roads are not like covered, so that's a good thing. We're heading home. We called it quits. We got 2 videos filmed, and the photo shoot is done, so I'll take what I can get right now. We're gonna have an editing day. We're gonna have a Christmas wrapping presents day, and we're gonna stay home and be safe because in true St. John's fashion, the city of St. John's never clears the roads in a decent manner, so it's just safer to stay inside and not do anything. The storm's probably not gonna get that bad, but the problem with winter storms in St. John's is that the city fails to do good work, so therefore it automatically just sucks. Lola's watching Uncle William. Is Uncle William gonna take us home? Oh God, hello, that was loud. For the record, actually I'll say it since he gets back in. For the record, I offered to help.
I know you did.
Come over.
Sit back.
Yeah, for the record, I offered to help, but I can't reach the top of the truck from the ground with the car cleaner thing. Can I, William?
No.
I really tried. I did my side though with it. Anyway, we're gonna head home in the snow now. I'll let you know when we're there safely.
Mince pies has to be. Yeah, 2 mince pie.
You guys probably can't see the cab.
Maybe 2 Nutella.
Bringing someone home over there. $5 says he's gonna get stuck.
Calling to be straight.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap. He struggled. It's gonna get worse. It's only gonna get worse coming off the side streets because they never get plowed. I'm gonna text the girl who lives next door that always shovels with me. I'm gonna be like, happy first snowstorm of the year. That'd be fun. Let's find her. I'm kind of glad I didn't get to the gym this morning. I just didn't have enough hours before the snow started because this is a full body workout. Guys, I'm just casually watching a bit of Zoella. I wonder if my neighbor next door is home because she parks just in front of my driveway, like up a little bit, because the parking ban is on. Look at how fast the snow is coming down. It's not even 2 o'clock and it's like pretty much like up to the door now. So I'm going to have to shovel shortly and go outside and clear the pathway and stuff to make sure we have an emergency exit if there was any issue. Not that I think there's going to be an issue, but I like to be responsible about it. The malls have shut down, or are shutting down as soon as possible. Buses are going off the roads within the hour. It took William forever to get home, but he's home safe. And I wouldn't mind, but we were only out like as the snow started falling. Like we had pavement to drive on and it was still real slick. So anyway, that's happening. So if you're out in the city today, be safe. The police have asked everyone to get off the roads. It's very bad. Apparently we're getting like 7 to 8 centimeters per hour and then some. So it's only been 2 hours and it's already up to the door. So it's hectic to say the least. Just noticed on the interwebs or on the twit box that the RNC have responded to many collisions, all because people don't have their snow tires on. If you live in Newfoundland, your tires should be on the beginning of November, mid-November. How dumb are you? How stupid are you if you don't have your tires on? You're going to, that's like your stupidity level living on the East Coast in Canada. Technically in all of Canada, you should have your tires on early, but especially on the East Coast, especially here. We've had snow in June. Like, come on now. Like, I can't get over how stupid as a driver you are if you don't have your tires on. If you are a subscriber and you don't have your tires on, unsubscribe from me because that makes me mad because you're putting your own life in danger and you're putting everyone around you's life in danger and that's not cool. So change your ways. I don't like people who are unsafe, so remember that. About to go shovel an emergency path, you guys, because it's getting high already. That and I just like it to have, I like to have an emergency path, like always as close to clear as possible. Oh shit, I wasn't expecting that. She's back, that's good. Look at my door. All right, let's do this. No, why? What do you think, you guys? Do you like this look? I forgot I had makeup on when I went out shoveling, and this is the end result. It is now freezing rain out there, and it is gross. My coat is soaked. Anyway, I managed to get all of the shoveling done I possibly could to like keep it clear. The plow basically came, when I heard the plow come down, I got ready to go out because the plow comes down. See that line in the middle of the road out there? That's the plow's idea of doing our street. So we went out and we did, myself and my neighbor next door, we went out and we did it. Got all the shoveling done. And yeah, I'm now gonna get a shower and wash my face. This is gross. And I will see you guys very shortly, I suppose. Hopefully, it's all turning to rain now, so hopefully I won't have to go back out and shovel this evening. But if I do, it won't be so bad because the wind will die down. So we'll see what happens there. Should probably make dinner soon. It's 5 o'clock and I've only eaten cookie dough today and a grilled cheese at Mom's. Whoa, here we go. Shower time. What? Making an omelet, you guys. I have destroyed the kitchen. I have a salad in the fridge, but couldn't be bothered. We're just gonna do a healthy omelet instead. Okay guys, so I have an omelet. I'm gonna clean up the kitchen after my power is blinking, so I'm gonna end this vlog here. So give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and come back tomorrow to see if I survived the first winter storm in YYT's 2017 History of Winter. Technically, it's not the first winter storm, I guess, in 2017, but it's the first December storm. Let's call it that. Anyway, yeah, so come back and see if I'm alive, because it's, you know, no guarantees. Hopefully I can get this vlog up if the power doesn't go out, fingers crossed. But again, my lights keep flicking and that scares me. So I'm gonna go eat this, finish the episode of Jane the Virgin I'm watching, and edit my brains out. I'll see you guys in the morning. I love you guys. Bye! Mwah. Oh, do me a favor. I forgot to tell you about this. Today is Britty's birthday. So, in my description, if you just expand it, you will see a link that says Musical Friend. Click on that channel, please, and hit subscribe. Because it is her birthday, and I want her to have some more subscribers. Because she is uber talented, and we just had a FaceTime, and she opened her presents from me, and she is at home with her parents up on the mainland. So go show her some birthday love and tell her we love her because we like it when she visits us. And now for reals, I'm saying goodnight. Bye friends!